Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about addition. Addition. If we add 2 apples and someone gives us 3 more, we end up with a total of 5 apples. Children, now we can see the addition is written in vertical position. 2 apples plus 3 more apples makes 5 apples. The addition is taking 2 or more numbers and adding them together. That is, it is a total of sum of 2 numbers. Example, how many apples are there in all? In the first picture, we can see there are 5 apples, and when we add 1 into it, it becomes 6 apples. Addition is the process of putting items together and counting the total number in the set. Now, our next topic is doubles fact. Here we can see a staircase. On the staircase, we can see the numbers are double. On the top, you can see 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Next comes 2 plus 2 equals to 4. Next, 3 plus 3 equals to 6. 4 plus 4 equals to 8. 5 plus 5 equals to 10. 6 plus 6 equals to 12. 7 plus 7 equals to 14. 8 plus 8 equals to 16. 9 plus 9 equals to 18. And 10 plus 10 equals to 20. Here we have a beautiful poem, Doubles Facts. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. 2 eyes look right at you. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. 4 paws walk on the floor. 3 plus 3 equals to 6. Share a soda just for kicks. 4 plus 4 equals to 8. A spider's legs are great. 5 plus 5 equals to 10. Count all your fingers again. 6 plus 6 equals to 12. Grab a dozen eggs from the shells. 7 plus 7 equals to 14. 2 weeks vacation, pitchy keen. 8 plus 8 equals to 16. Think of colors like red, blue, green. 9 plus 9 equals to 18. That's the biggest truck I have ever seen. 10 plus 10 equals to 20. My pal and I have fingers aplenty. Doubles facts. 6 plus 6 equals to 12. 12 can be shown as 2 equal parts when both addends are the same. That is a doubles fact. You can also say 12 is double of 6. 14 is double of 7. 16 is double of 8. I think till now you must have understood what are double facts. Let's practice some simple addition. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. 4 plus 4 equals to 8. Check your knowledge. 5 plus 2 is 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. 4 plus 8 is 12. Let's begin with number without carryover. Simple 2-digit addition we have already done in our previous class, that is grade 1. Here are few sums in vertical position. 30 plus 5 equals to 35. 45 plus 25 equals to 70. 15 plus 25 is what? Let us solve. We will take the ones place first. So in the ones place we have 5 plus 5 equals to 10. 0 sits on the ones place and 1 goes on the tens place. It goes and sits on 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer is 40. Let us practice more sums in the notebook. Addition with 2-digit numbers. Double digit addition. 43 plus 27 equals to 70. What is done? Let us see. We start from 7 plus 3 equals to 10. 0 is placed or 0 is written in place of ones and 1 goes to the tens place. So 2 plus 4 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 70. So this is the carryover sums. Regrouping in 2-digit addition, that is 14 plus 28 is what? First we'll take again the numbers which is given in the ones place. 8 plus 4 is 12. So what happens here? 12, 2 comes down, 1 goes up to the tens place. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer is 42. Addition with 2-digit numbers. Again, let us see that what happens if we take 86 plus 38. Can you all start writing in your notebook? Second question, 70 plus 38. Next question, 87 plus 36. Fourth question, please write it down, 75 plus 50. Here is a puzzle for you. 10 plus 6 is 16. 10 plus 2 is 12. You have to find out which number will come in place of question mark. 5 plus 2 is 7. I think you have got the answer. Yes, the answer is 11. 5 plus 6 is 11. Let us revise it. 10 plus 6 is 16. 10 plus 2 is 12. 5 plus 6 is 11. And 5 plus 2 is 7. Always remember, the first rule to add the numbers, we start from ones place and then the carryover number sits on tens place. Soon you all will learn to solve the addition sums. Now we will solve more sums with 2-digit numbers together vertically. Do you want to try out this? Let's see who can. Take your notebook and start solving it. Your first question is 24 plus 12 plus 23. Let us start with ones place. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Answer is 59. Children, please solve all the questions in your notebook. Let's make few sums. 70 plus 60. Let us see what happens. 70 plus 60. 0 plus 0 equals to 0. 6 plus 7 is 13. So the answer is 130. You can write few more sums. I will tell you. Please note down. 28 plus 20. 65 plus 28. 96 plus 10. Here is a mixed bag questions. 51 plus 12, 20 plus 30 plus 5, 2 plus 3 plus 3, 19 plus 10. You all can see the numbers clearly. You can see the sums clearly. Try to solve in the notebook. Very good, children. You all were listening patiently. Thank you, dear all, and happy learning math. See you soon with the next video. Bye bye, children.